Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will presentation about implementation of Oculus Rift. We are from Group 10 and members is Jakira Septialisa and Muhammad Farhan Alisya Putra. Next. Definition of Oculus Rift. Definition of Oculus Rift is the use of computer technology to create a simulated environment. Unlike traditional user interface, VR places the user inside an experience. Instead of viewing a screen in front of them, users are immersed and able to interact with 3D worlds by simulating as many senses as possible, such as vision, hearing, touch, even smell. The computer is transformed into a gatekeeper to this artificial world. The only limits to near real VR experience are the availability of content and cheap computing power. History of Oculus Rift. The original prototype of Oculus Rift was created in 2011 by the 18 years old Palmer Luckey in his parents' garage in Long Beach, California. John Carmack, founder of the pioneering 3D gaming company ID Software, took the prototype to the E3 video game show. A year later, an high-definition version of the device reignited consumer interest in virtual reality. In the fall of 2012, Oculus raised over $2 million through its Kickstarter crowdfunding campaign, significantly more than the startup. So, next. Next is Oculus Rift architecture. First is lens mount. Lens mount is a standard or proprietary interface used by camera and lens manufacturer to ensure a secure and accurate means for attaching a lens to a camera body. Next is HMD or head-mounted display. Is a display device worn on the head or as a part of a helmet that has a small display optic in front of a monocular HMD or each eye. Next is motion tracking. Motion tracking is the process of the recording of the movement of object or people. It is used in military, entertainment, sport, medical application, and for validation of computer vision and robotics. Next is LCD screen. A liquid crystal display or LCD is flat panel display or other electronically modulated optical device that use the light modulating property of liquid crystal combined with polarizer. The next is connection interface. Interface reality is a two-part system that translate motion made within a virtual reality environment into image that can be viewed in the real world. In the system, first part is the wearer edits virtual object and computer generate animation in their simulation space. Next is ASI connection. ASI detects object in front of the vehicle that you are likely to hit. It will reduce the power of the engine to help minimize the possible impact force and frontal impact damage. Next.
Next, computer specification for Oculus Rift. This Oculus Rift requires a computer as its processing source, so this VR headset is not standalone or can be played directly without additional device. And the minimum computer specification to be able to play using the Oculus Rift are as follows. Video card NVIDIA GTX 970 or AMD R9 290, CPU processor Intel i5 4090, RAM or memory 8 GB, video output compatible HDMI 1.3, USB port 3 times USB 3.0 port plus 1 times USB 2.0 port, operating system Windows 7 SPI 94-bit. The specifications above are quite high, and of course, the price of a computer that supports the Oculus Rift is not cheap. Next, how the Oculus Rift works. The technology in this VR headset has features such as eye-catching infrared sensor, gyroscopes, and accelerometers that naturally move the user point of view, stereo for mobile application, and surround or 3D sound can also be applied to this headset. However, VR apps and headsets have had problems developing, with some users virtual reality sickness or VR hangover, which is an annoyance from using VR, and the most common symptoms being headaches, nausea, and vomiting. Next, type of Oculus Rift. There are Oculus Rift Development Kit 1, second Oculus Rift Development Kit 2. Oculus Rift Development Kit 1 is Oculus first virtual reality headset, which was released in 2012. This Oculus Rift Development Kit 1 is not a consumer product, but for developers who wants to know more about Oculus Rift. Second, the Oculus Rift Development Kit 2 was launched in 2014. On this Development Kit 2 device, there are several upgrades implemented, including high resolution 960 times 1080 per eye, low persistence OLED display, higher refresh rate, positional tracking, and detectable cable. Next, pros and cons of Oculus Rift. First, pros of Oculus Rift, better than reality. Visual scene in visual reality are far better than reality. Virtual reality technology is used in video games, and user get the feeling that he is in another world. Second, used in various fields due to its extensive features. Virtual reality has been used in different fields such as military. Third, users have awesome experience. Users have tremendous experience in using virtual reality. The VR technology makes users feel that they experience the real location and hearing the real sound and seeing the real things. Fourth, give detailed view. Virtual reality gives a full and detailed view of a place. For example, virtual reality make tourism sites more interesting and easy. Fifth, connect with people. Virtual reality gives the chance to communicate with the people you don't know in your real life. It helps in performing the new relationship in a more efficient manner as compared to real life. Six, effective communication. One of the main pros of VR is effective communication. User can communicate with each other and thus enjoy the conversation between them. And the cons of Oculus Rift, there are first, high cost. One of main cons of virtual game is that it's not possible for everyone to afford it. It is too costly, and people who cannot afford this will be left out from using this technology. Second, communication should not be replaced for group of people. The user of virtual reality many times get a feeling of worthlessness. They feel that they are accepting from the real world, and sometimes this feeling is proved to be very dangerous for them. Third, user addict to the virtual world. The user get addicted to the virtual world and navigate the non-virtual environment. Fourth, technology is still experimental. Virtual reality technology is used in various fields, but is still experimental. It is not being accepted of fully developed. Okay. Thank you for our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Sorry if there is any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.